The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 has finally arrived, and it's more amazing than ever. With its stunning design and cutting-edge features, you'll want to keep it safe and stylish. That's why we've rounded up the 10 best cases and accessories to protect and enhance your new favorite device. Stick around to discover our top picks and find out why they're perfect for your Galaxy Z Fold 6. Dropping your Z Fold 6 is scary, right? The UAG Civilian case takes that worry away. It's a tough guard that doesn't make your phone bulky. The case wraps around your device in one piece, no need for stickers or complicated setup. It's light but strong, with special materials that soak up shocks from falls. The hinge cover moves smoothly when you open and close your phone. Raised edges keep your screen safe if you put it face down. But here's the cool part. It does all this without turning your sleek phone into a brick. You can still slip it in your pocket easily. Whether you're climbing mountains or just clumsy in the kitchen, the UAG Civilian has your back. It's like giving your Z Fold 6 a shield that doesn't slow it down. Now you can use your phone without constantly fretting about drops. The Joi Wireless Charger is a 2-in-1 powerhouse that juices up your Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Buds simultaneously. No more cord chaos or outlet battles. Just place your devices down and watch them power up. It's speedy too, delivering 10 watt to your phone and 3 watt to your buds. Don't worry about taking off your case. It works through most of them as long as they're not super thick. The triple coil design means less fussy positioning. Smart lights keep you in the loop. Green for charging, blue for full, and blinking blue if something's off. It's like having a personal charging butler on your desk. If you spend a lot of time driving, the ANPULES wireless car charger is a must-have for your Galaxy Z Fold 6. This charger features a built-in supercapacitor, allowing you to release your phone even after the engine is turned off. Its intelligent automatic coil sensor detects your phone and closes the arms automatically for a secure hold. You can install it using either the suction cup or air vent options, both offering 360-degree swivel for the best viewing angle. The charger holds phones tightly in landscape mode, and the soft silicone arms prevent scratches. It's compatible with all Qi-enabled phones, ensuring versatile use. With the ANPULES wireless car charger, you can keep your phone charged and accessible while on the go, making your driving experience safer and more convenient. Keep your Galaxy Z Fold 6 screen in top condition with the Fotbor screen protector. Installation is hassle-free thanks to the included alignment kit, which ensures perfect placement without bubbles. This screen protector offers enhanced privacy protection, so only you can see your screen from various angles, keeping your information safe. Made from heat-resistant nanomaterials, it's flexible and durable, covering the entire screen and folding seamlessly. It's also explosion-proof and anti-scratch, providing maximum protection against drops and scratches. The included camera lens protector, made of 9H tempered glass, keeps your camera lens scratch-free without affecting photo quality. With the Fotbor screen protector, you get full coverage and robust protection, ensuring your Galaxy Z Fold 6 stays looking new and functions perfectly. If you want to experience every detail of your music, the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro can make it happen. It uses 2 separate speakers in each bud to make the sound crisp and clear. You'll catch parts of songs you never noticed before. But it's not just about great sound. These buds are smart. They change how they work based on what's around you. If it's noisy, they'll block more sound. If someone starts talking to you, they'll let their voice through. They can even translate languages in real time. Cool, right? The design is comfy too. They won't fall out or hurt your ears. You can control them with simple taps and swipes. It's like having a tiny, smart music studio in your ears. Whether you're working out, commuting, or just relaxing, these buds make everything sound better. Ever wished your Z Fold 6 could stick to things? The TORRAS magnetic case makes it happen. This clever case uses super strong magnets to grip mag-safe accessories like they were made for your phone. But it's not just about sticking power. This case is tough as nails, surviving 8,000 drops in tests. The raised edges keep your screens and cameras safe from scratches. And here's a neat trick. It has a built-in S Pen holder. No more losing your stylus. The best part? It doesn't add bulk. At just 0.04 inches thick, it's like your phone is wearing a thin t-shirt instead of a bulky sweater. The semi-clear design lets your Z Fold 6's style shine through. And when it's time to clean your phone, the case pops off easily. No sticky adhesive to deal with. It's like giving your Z Fold 6 superpowers without cramping its style. Next, if you need a smartwatch that keeps up with your active lifestyle, the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra could be the perfect companion to your Z Fold 6. It boasts the most powerful smartwatch processor and a design crafted from aerospace-grade titanium and cushion, making it durable. The sapphire crystal glass adds to its toughness, while the power-saving mode offers up to 100 hours of battery life and up to 48 hours in exercise power-saving mode. With various band options for all terrains and the new One UI, you're covered for every adventure. Whether you're on frozen mountain peaks or in dusty deserts, this watch performs at the highest level. Its bright display is visible in daylight and switches to night mode in low light. Moreover, the Galaxy AI-boosted noise control, heart rate monitoring, GPS navigation, and multi-sport tracking ensure you stay on top of your fitness goals. Seamlessly transition between workouts and stay motivated with milestone rewards and workout results tracking. If you need ultimate protection for your Galaxy Z Fold 6, the i-Blason Armor Box should be your go-to choice. Designed for the 2024 release of the Galaxy Z Fold 6, this case offers 360-degree protection with an internal tempered glass screen protector that resists scratches and shatters. The textured TPU bumper helps prevent damage from drops and falls, ensuring your phone stays safe. Plus, it features a built-in S Pen holder for convenient access, making it perfect for note-taking and artistic creations. The built-in kickstand supports both horizontal and vertical positions, allowing you to find the most comfortable viewing angle for any activity, whether watching videos, reading, or working. Its precise cut and design ensure a seamless fit, allowing easy access to all ports, sensors, speakers, cameras, and other features. With the i-Blason Armor Box, you get superior protection and functionality, keeping your phone and S Pen secure and easily accessible. Can't decide on just one look for your Z Fold 6? Samsung's got you covered with a whole wardrobe of cases. Let's start with the S Pen case. It's perfect for the stylist lovers out there. Keep your pen close and your phone stylish. Next up, the silicone case. It's like giving your phone a comfy, grippy sweater. Plus, it has a built-in stand for hands-free viewing. Movie night, anyone? If you're all about that slim life, check out the Kind Suit case. It's thin, it's sleek, and it comes in a rainbow of colors. It's like a second skin for your Z Fold 6. And if you prefer to show off your phone's design, then here is clear case for you. It's see-through, but still protective, with a handy strap for a secure grip. Each case is designed to fit your Z Fold 6 perfectly, so you don't lose any functionality. It's like having a different outfit for your phone every day of the week. Last but not least, we have the latest innovation of Samsung, the Galaxy AI Ring. It's the ultimate health coach that fits on your finger. This tiny powerhouse is packed with sensors to track your wellness 24/7. It's like having a doctor, fitness trainer, and sleep expert all rolled into one stylish accessory. Made from scratch-resistant titanium, it's tough enough for everyday wear. The bioactive sensor keeps an eye on your heart health, while the accelerometer tracks your movement without you lifting a finger. It even monitors your skin temperature while you sleep. All this data syncs to your phone, giving you a complete picture of your health. And with Galaxy AI, you get personalized tips to improve your well-being. The best part? You can wear it for up to 2 weeks on a single charge. It's water-resistant too, so you can keep it on in the shower or pool. With its modern design and powerful features, it's a stylish and functional addition to your Z Fold 6. So, that concludes our list of the 10 best Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 case and accessories. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.